And now the G-Show, or what Austin refers to as the Joshua Screen Reader, aka Commentary Screen Reader, CSR. This is where some feature of this screen reader is demonstrated.
In this demo, I'll talk about the preset timer, how to set a preset timer, and how to customize it. I'll go first to G-Show settings.
Main menu, G-Show settings, G-Show Plus,
Then advanced settings,
advanced settings, advanced settings,
then timer settings.
timer settings, timer settings,
And I'll select preset timer.
preset timer, preset timer,
Here I should have a list of previously created preset timers,
preset timer, cancel button, new button,
and I have the new.
add,
After double tapping the new, I'm creating a new timer. I should mention here that many options related to preset timer are still in Chinese in the default translation, and you have to enable the use of custom translations, then to translate them yourself or to use others' translations. This is my own translation, which is on the server, by the way. The first thing that I have is
name, text box,
the name. Let it be test.
T-E-S-T, browse by hour,
Then I have the hour.
0 button,
I'll keep it on 0.
minute, 0 button,
And the minutes. I'll double tap and I'll
0, 1, 2, 3,
let it be 3 minutes.
add,
So it's a 3 minutes timer.
hour, 0 button, minute, 3 button, label, button,
I can specify the label, the timer label. The labels, or I can create labels in the timer label manager settings, which is in timer settings also.
what to say when timer starts, text box,
So this to specify what G-Show should say when the timer starts. Let it be
browse by touch suspended,
started.
S-T-A-R-T-E-D, what to say when timer ends, text box,
Now when timer ends, what should be said? Let it be
browse by touch suspended,
finished.
F-I-N-I-S-H-E-D, delete button,
And I can delete the timer,
cancel button,
cancel
OK button,
to create the timer.
preset timer,
So the timer is saved.
preset timer, test 0,
It's Yoshi.
3,
Theme song.
As you were able to hear, the minutes and hours words were not translated here. And it's not possible to translate them until they are added by the developer to the translation strings.
cancel button, new button,
I can't double tap a timer from here to start it. If I double tap, it will be taking me to the place where I can add it or delete the timer. So I'll go back.
timer settings,
Let's see some
items
settings.
from 1 to 13, time announcement TTS settings,
The first section in timer settings is this. I'll double tap.
TTS engine, TTS engine,
Here I can customize things related to the TTS engine. First I have the TTS engine. I'll double tap.
TTS engine,
This will specify the TTS engine that will be used during announcements related to automatic time announcement in G-Show and the stopwatch and the preset timer.
TTS engine, Samsung, Beidou Cloud, is TTS, system TTS engine unchecked, is speaker, Beidou Cloud, if Litec, Samsung text-to-speech engine, com.samsung.smt checked,
I selected before the Samsung TTS. I have also the options or the ability to customize.
TTS rate, TTS rate acceleration, TTS rate, TTS volume, TTS pitch, audio channel,
Let's see, audio channel.
audio, ringtone unchecked, media checked, alarm unchecked, notification unchecked, accessibility unchecked,
Let's go back.
TTS engine,
Back again.
timer settings, automatically read the time checkbox unchecked controls whether the time should be automatically read at the specified intervals, Time reading interval unavailable. Alarm start time unavailable. Alarm end time unavailable.
Those things are related to the automatic time announcement feature in Jishuo.
Announce with speech checkbox checked.
Now I'm starting to see things related to timer and preset timer.
Timer interval. Timer interval.
Timer interval.
Timer interval. 1 minute checked. 5 minutes unchecked. 10 minutes unchecked. 15 minutes unchecked.
Here I can specify the time interval. So, for example, if I set it to 1 minute, after each minute passes, this should be announced in the stopwatch. I can customize how the announcement should be, either by sound, by speech, by vibration, or by a combination of those. And in the preset timer, I can customize what should be announced.
15 minutes unchecked. Cancel. Timer settings. Announce with speech checkbox checked.
This is the speech announcement or announce with speech. So like this.
Timer interval. Announce with haptics checkbox checked. Announce with sound checkbox unchecked. Timer label manager. Preset timer. Preset timer announcement settings.
Here I can customize what should be spoken or what should be announced when the time that I've specified in the timer interval is reached.
Preset timer announcement. Elapsed time checked. Remaining time checked. Current time checked.
If you are using the default translation, currently you will hear the word elapsed before the current time. When you select Jishuo to announce the current time in the preset timer, this is because the developer is using a part of a string from the translations, which is including also the word elapsed. This can be fixed by removing the word elapsed from the string. To start a preset timer, you have to use the timer function. It is in the main menu. Also, you can assign a gesture to it, and it is assigned to the long press of the volume up key on the lock screen. I'll select it from the main menu.
More button. Main. More button. Pause timer. Timer. Advanced preset timer.
If there is no previously created preset timer, it will start the stopwatch immediately, which is called timer in Jishuo. But it's a sort of stopwatch.
Preset timer. Test 0.
X-Yoshi.
3.
Finjong.
Now it's displaying the list of preset timers that I created before. If I tap any of them, it will be started. Or I can tap
Start now button.
Start Now to start the stopwatch. I'll start the stopwatch.
Enable
Advanced
timer.
settings.
Now, because I've specified the time interval to 1 minute, after 1 minute, I should hear the time that have passed. And also, if I turn off the screen, then turn it back on, or if I'm on the lock screen, I should hear the elapsed time. I can pause the timer, which is actually a stopwatch.
Main menu. More button. Automatic pause. No pause timer.
Pause timer.
Pause timer.
Resumed timer. 1 minutes.
To stop the timer, I use the timer function again, either by the gesture or from the main menu.
Main menu.
2 minutes.
Timer.
Stop timer. 2 minutes 4 seconds elapsed. Now it's 12:09 a.m.
Another way to start the preset timer is by creating an autoclick.
Jishuo settings.
I'll go to Jishuo settings,
General settings.
general settings,
Custom gesture scheme settings.
custom gesture scheme settings because I'm using the custom gesture scheme,
Custom.
then more options,
More options.
and create a new automatic click.
Create a new function. Create a new automatic click function. Text box.
I should type the name that I want for my autoclick. Let it be
Enter name. Text box. T. I. M E E.
Time.
OK button. Time. More
I
options button. Text box.
will type the percent sign,
Shift. Percent. Shift disabled.
then the name of the timer function,
Shift. Capital T. Shift. U. I. R. M. M. E. E. R. R.
then the slash,
Simple keyboard. Slash. Slash. Letter keyboard.
then the name that I specified for my preset timer that I want to use, which was test.
T. E. S. T. Close button.
And I'll tap on save.
Time. Save button. More. Saved.
So it is the function name of the timer that I used before, then the slash, then the name of the preset timer that I want to start.
More options but percent timer. Test text box.
I'll go back and assign it to a gesture.
Percent timer. Swipe right, swipe right, then swipe up, then swipe down, then up, swipe left, then up, swipe left, then up. Timer unchecked. Time unchecked. Custom. Saved.
I'm now on the home screen and I'll use the gesture.
Started.
The timer was started and it said the message that I've specified, which was started.
01 minutes remaining time 02 minutes now it's 12:15 a.m.
So before the elapsed time, there is no text. Then I have a text for the remaining time and it told me what's the time right now. To stop the timer, I can use the timer function and I can use the same gesture that started the timer.
Finished.
I hope that my demo was useful and clear. Thank you for listening.